making the worst decision ever.
I didn't want to get off on the side of the freeway!
Grab her arm.
Stop! Stop pulling on me!
Fleeing from cops.
Really? She's running again. She's running again. Are you serious?
Here are times when psycho Karens think they're above the law. First, meet the wild lady who thought she could outrun both the speedometer and the cops.
Pulling into the Sunoco, pulling into the Sunoco.
No, I'm not!
Don't
Stop
do
touching
that.
me!
Can't do
Stop
that.
touching me!
Stop.
Get out, ma'am.
Get tased.
Get out now!
You're biting me, so stop!
On June 13th, 2023, cops tried to pull over a speeding driver, but she hit the gas and led them on a 6-minute chase. When she finally stopped at a gas station, instead of owning up, she threw a tantrum, playing the victim as officers moved in to arrest her.
South on 503, pulling into the Sunoco, pulling into the Sunoco. We stopped at the Sunoco.
Okay.
Hands! Hands!
Units responding
your
and
hands.
stopping here at the Sunoco.
I've been trying to stop you for 5 miles. Okay. Okay, you can't do that.
Even though the woman stopped, officers approached cautiously, unsure if she'd launch into another high-speed chase. Her defiant attitude made it clear she wasn't ready to give up just yet.
You can't do that.
I feel safe on the side of the freeway,
Okay.
so I pulled over to where I feel safe, sir.
Okay, well, do you understand you can't do that?
I'm not from this state.
Okay.
I'm driving through and I'm being safe and I am a black
Do me a favor.
And I'm doing what you asked. My hands is in your
Do me a
face.
favor, stop talking and listen to what I'm trying to tell you. Don't reach in the car, ma'am. Put your hands back out. Ma'am, please put your hands out the window. Use your left hand to open that door for me.
Why?
Because I'm asking you to step out of the car.
Get out of my car. You can walk up to my car.
I'm not coming up to the car.
Okay, well, I'm not.
She's 7'5", Dayton. She won't get out of the car. Keep your hands where I can see them. Don't reach in the car.
I'm not getting out of my car.
You're going to get out of the car. Don't reach in the car.
Can you record this? I'm not getting out of my car. I didn't do anything wrong.
Once the officers realized she wasn't about to take off, they quickly moved in to arrest her. But by then, her aggression had fully blossomed into a full-blown meltdown.
Unlock your door, man. You're
No,
speeding.
I'm not getting out of my car. No, I'm not.
Don't
Stop
do
touching
that.
me.
You can't
Stop
do that.
touching me.
Stop
Dude,
resisting
stop
me.
touching me.
Stop resisting
Stop
me.
touching me.
Unlock the door.
Stop
Stop
touching
resisting me.
Stop touching me. Hold on. Hold on.
That's fine. Step out for me. Step
Call
out.
your dad. Call your dad. This cop is pulling me out of my
Stop
car
resisting me.
for no reason. He's
your
pulling
taser.
me out of my
Taser.
car
Taser.
for no reason. Now he's
Stop.
getting ready.
Taser,
to
taser.
tased.
You're good. Get out,
You're gonna
ma'am.
get tased.
Get out now.
Stop.
Get out now, ma'am.
Stop.
Please get out.
Hey, leave me alone.
Please get out, ma'am.
If you want to record, that's fine. Get out of harm's way and come over here.
I don't want
Step.
to get tased, sir, please.
Let's get out of the car.
All I did was drive to a safe spot.
Come
so
out of the
give me a
car.
ticket. I didn't want to get off on the
Grab her
side of the
arm.
freeway.
Grab her arm.
Stop! Stop pulling on me.
Easy, easy, easy. Easy.
Hey, roll her over.
Easy. Give me your hand.
Baby.
Give me your hand.
Babe, can you come and help me? Call your dad.
Easy, easy, easy,
This
easy.
is my ID. This is my
Easy.
ID, sir. All I'm asking is
Just as the officers were about to cuff her, the woman erupted in a burst of aggression, resisting violently and turning the whole scene into total chaos.
I'm trying to get. You're biting me, so stop!
Stop! Stop
You just
it!
bit me. Stop biting!
let go of me.
Get her other
Hey,
hand.
let go
She just
of
bit
me.
me in the leg.
Let go of me. I broke my heart.
Easy.
It broke my heart.
Stop resisting me.
I got it. Cuffs on. Take a step back. Take a step back. I got it. I got it.
I didn't do anything. I was driving and I didn't feel safe pulling over on the side of the freeway. So I came to the nearest exit and I pulled up to the gas station. I told the cop what
On
it
your butt.
was.
On your butt.
I didn't
Sit up.
feel safe.
Sit up.
I
Relax.
didn't feel safe here.
Relax. You're okay.
It broke my heart.
Relax.
It broke my
275 Dayton. Dayton, I need you to start me a squad. Signal 5. Give me a supervisor.
No, he broke my arm. He slammed my head on the ground.
Ma'am, you bit me.
Once the officers had her fully detained, the woman flipped the script. Tears started flowing, and she threw a tantrum, trying to paint herself as the helpless victim.
You're gonna go to. I'm gonna come.
Listen, all you have to do is listen.
I am suing. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm not a criminal. I am not a criminal. I am not a criminal. I didn't do anything.
The only thing I was trying to do is stop you from speeding.
I kept on going 70 miles per hour on the cruise control, sir.
You were doing what?
On the cruise control. I had my car on cruise control 70 miles per hour.
No, you were at 81.
No, I wasn't. I had it on cruise control at 70 miles per hour. I know what I was doing. I have done nothing.
Relax.
I was uncomfortable. I'm in another foreign state. I don't know where I am. And I was driving and he turned his lights on in California.
Hey,
you
you-
pull off
you have a
onto the
large back
freeway
seat?
where it is safe.
A large back seat. You want to just wait for
You pull it safe. You get somewhere where you're safe, and I am a safe single woman.
turned on
And
my side.
I saw you, and I said I'm gonna pull over where it's safe.
You didn't tell me anything.
I couldn't tell you
How can you
nothing.
tell me that?
What am I supposed to do? Pull over? You
Pull
broke
over.
my arm. You broke my.
The woman bawled like a spoiled child, clearly in no rush to wrap up her performance. She was fully committed to the victim act.
If you shit was here, I'm gonna go.
I'm not touching her right now.
No
Ma'am?
reason.
I know it's legal in California, but you also have the odor of
I was
marijuana
trying to
coming out of
be
your car.
safe. I don't have no marijuana. I was trying to be
All
safe.
you have to
sir.
do is pull over. That's the safest thing to
I didn't know
do.
where to go. I was trying to pull over at the next exit. Did I not pull over at the next
No,
exit?
well, I don't know
Did
that.
I pull over at the next exit, sir?
How am I supposed to know
Did
where
I
you're going to
pull over
stop?
at the next exit?
Yes.
And when you asked me,
Are
what
you
did
in
I
California?
say? Wait, let me ask you a question.
Are you in
Let me
California?
ask you a question. Did I explain to you why I said kept going?
And I asked you to get
Did
out
I
of the
explain
car.
to you? And why would I
said
get
you-
out of the car
because
on
you're
a
leading me on a pursuit.
What? I was not leading you on a pursuit. I explained to you. When I pulled up, sir, let me talk to you, okay?
Talk to him.
Listen,
When I pulled up, didn't I say to you, I put my hands out and I
and you
said,
did
sir,
exactly what I asked you to
exactly,
do.
and I said to you, the reason
But I
why
said you have to get out of the car.
when I
you said I'm
why?
not doing so.
Because I'm not a criminal and I've done nothing
I never
wrong.
said you were a criminal, ma'am. I told you
can
that
I
you were
please-
speeding.
At this point, she clung to arguing with the officers, twisting the truth like it was her best strategy. What she didn't realize, though, was that the body cam was catching every word, exposing her lies and making her whole act completely pointless.
All I was
speeding.
trying to do is
I
catch
was
up
on
to you.
cruise control.
You were not. You were at
yes,
81.
I was. It was an 18 wheeler that pulled up behind me when we
Way
passed
before
you.
that. You passed me
I
at
was
the
not
4.
speeding. I was on cruise control. Cruise control.
Ma'am, is your ID
Cruise
is your ID
control.
in here?
Yes.
What is your name, ma'am?
I was on cruise control the whole time.
Why would you bite me?
I didn't know what I was doing.
You didn't know what you were doing, so
I
you bit
didn't
me.
know what I was doing.
Are you on
I was-
medication? Are you
No.
on medication?
What?
What do you mean? You said you don't know what you're doing, so
Because you guys, when you just slammed me on the ground.
We asked
and
you to
pulled
step
me
out of the car.
And then you threw me and you slammed my. Ow, my arm is broken.
what is your name, ma'am?
I just told you.
I want to. Is this you?
Yes, that's
Okay.
me.
I'll be 42.
Where are you headed to, ma'am?
I'm headed to New York.
Okay, why are you doing that?
I didn't do anything.
Why
I
didn't you
came
just
to
stop?
a safe place. It is raining. It is 18 wheelers going by. There was nowhere to pull over.
The whole side of the road is for you.
Exit.
But you can't do
And
that.
we don't do that where I'm
But you're not in
from.
California.
I didn't know what the rules are. I didn't know that I had to pull over exactly.
Fed up with her drama, the officers shifted gears when the unmistakable smell of marijuana drifted from her car. They cut through the theatrics and zeroed in on the real issue, focusing on what actually mattered.
All right, so
He
let me
broke
do
my arm
something,
and he
okay?
slammed my head on the ground.
Let me do something with you, okay? I need you to pay attention to me, okay? Just listen for me real quick. Can you do that? Are you on any kind of medication right now? Nothing at all. Are you currently using marijuana? I can smell marijuana coming from your car. Do you recreationally use it?
No.
Something like that?
No.
Do you know what today's date is?
Today is the... Hold on. Today's the 13th.
The 13th.
June 13th, and I have a room set for the Seneca Hotel in Niagara Falls.
Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to read you your rights right now, okay? You don't have to talk anymore. You don't have to answer any questions, but I'm going to read them to you, okay? It says, before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. We means myself or any police
Can I ask
officer.
you why you didn't do that before you grabbed me out the car?
At that point, I don't have to read you your rights.
In the end, she was taken to the police station and charged with resisting arrest, assault of an officer, evading an officer, and failure to stop for an officer. At least she didn't completely lose it when she got arrested, unlike this woman, who managed to escape not once, but twice.
Really? She's running again. She's running again. Are you serious? She's in the trees.
On October 12th, 2024, officers were called to a Walmart where a woman, already banned from the property, refused to leave. Her defiance quickly spiraled into a full-blown confrontation with the police, resulting in her arrest for battery on an officer, resisting arrest, and trespassing. Here's the wild story behind the chaos.
Did you mind about? Get out and lay on your back. Lay on your back. Lay on your back. Tell him that I'm fighting one.
Yeah, I'm not fighting you.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. Don't fight me.
Don't quit moving. Get up.
I'm not.
You want some help?
Yeah.
No, get out. I mean, y'all crazy. No.
You should have her on camera.
Yeah, you ran away from me.
I didn't run.
Yes, you did.
I didn't, man.
Now, why did I have to tase you twice?
I never.
Her first escape attempt was a total flop, and she was quickly detained and tossed in the squad car. But that didn't stop her. Before she could try her second escape plan, the officers decided to take a breather with a quick investigation.
You don't have any ID on you, do you?
Correct.
You gonna tell me your ID? Like who you are?
811.
What's that? Yeah, we are. You gonna tell me your name? Okay, that's fine. You go as a Jane Doe. I have no problem with that. You sure you don't want to give me information? If you don't, it's an extra charge. I have no problem doing that. It's failure to identify to a police officer. You don't have to answer any other questions. You just have to tell me first name, last name, date of birth, and an address. Okay. You say Rodney?
Uh-huh.
Middle initial? E?
Uh-huh.
And then last name?
G-I-L-L-I-S.
G-I-L-L-I-S. And date of birth? Alright, just so you know, the medics are going to come in and check you out, okay?
Okay.
The officers had a quick huddle and decided to take her outside, loosening her handcuffs to give her a little comfort. Little did they know, their attempt at kindness was about to backfire in the most spectacular way, giving her the perfect chance to pull off an epic second escape.
So, morning. So she said her name is Rodney Gillis. I haven't verified that for sure, but I tased her twice, chased her around over here, and I tackled her, so she might be scuffed up.
All right, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
All right. She's in there.
Yeah, she's in the back seat.
Are we taking her?
No, just, well, yeah.
Hi, Rodney. Morning.
Just taking out the probes and,
Yeah, step out. I'm going to take the probes out.
I'll just make sure because that way, I mean, I don't think we'll make a robbery.
You want to take your blood pressure real quick, okay?
We
Yeah, I was gonna.
Yeah, go ahead and just stand still. I'm gonna have the officer bring that back up on your hand, and I'm gonna get all these wires off of you. Don't do anything silly now. You already had one round of that, right?
I have though. I was gonna say.
Are you guys good here? I'm gonna go help them out down there. All right.
Yeah. I think it's just yeah. It sounds like it gets started somewhere else. But let me get this little string.
So you guys chase her over here?
No.
I just chased her around the car.
Englewood 212 for traffic complaint at 9295 North Main. Englewood 212, that comes back to a 1997 Dodge truck, black in color, 2 Dixie Scafety. It is expired.
And then, like a movie villain with a plot twist, the golden opportunity arrived. Buckle up, folks. 1, 2, 3, and whoosh, it's a high-speed chase, baby.
Really? She's running again. She's running again. Are you serious? Get me more units out here now. She's running to the tree line. Running to the tree line, heading towards. She's in the trees. Seriously?
I don't want to go to jail.
You are going to jail now. Don't move. I will just tase you again, okay?
Englewood 210 clear.
825.
Put your other hand behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back. I'm not doing this game, okay? Put your other hand behind your back. You're fine.
Oh.
No. No.
Finally, the police caught up with her, but when they did, she swapped out her villain look for a full-on innocent act, apologizing and claiming she hadn't done a thing.
Twice!
Sorry.
Twice!
This is the first
I don't.
time.
I'm over here! Stop!
Okay.
Stop!
Okay.
Relax
Okay.
and stop.
Okay.
As soon as I get you cuffed, I will let you up.
Okay. I'm sorry.
You ran for me twice now.
No, I didn't.
What the fuck did you just do? Huh?
I didn't run twice.
Oh, bullshit. I'm charging with everything I can get.
Why?
What did you just do? What did you just do?
I'm just scared.
Oh, whatever.
Scared? That's bullshit. Easy. All right, here, I got her. Take the radio.
Fucking hurt my foot.
I told him to kill me. Nobody gonna kill you. No, just leave her. She'll walk.
Right, because that shit hurt.
Stand.
I will walk.
Come on.
I'm not sure.
Any of this worth all this?
Hell no. Fuck no.
Pretty sure escape's gonna be another felony.
Yep,
Bad
and I'm
idea
charging
when
with
you're
that.
already in cuffs and running.
At this point, she was still holding on to hope, begging and doubling down on her innocent victim routine. Too bad for her, it wasn't even close to working.
No, I am. I am. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. You're not going to be able to beg your way out of it. I am charging you with it.
Oh, you're gonna get charged with anything we can think of for the detectives. I did that job for 2 years. I'll find it.
Well, what the hell did I do?
You ran after
Twice.
you got arrested.
You resisted. You stole.
I'll show you one thing at
I didn't
828.
steal anything.
Yeah, well, yeah.
The 2 carts you pushed out weren't anything?
That wasn't mine.
Oh, well, you pushed them out. All right, you've had enough rest. Let's go. I gave you more rest than I gave me. I stood like this.
You're clear, 1 at 828.
I need to look like I was hurt pretty bad, huh? You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. I fell too. No, she gave me her information though. She fucking pissed me off. She didn't want to give me it initially, then I threatened her with
We're just gonna hit her with everything, obstructing,
yeah,
resisting.
Resisting, escape. If I can get escape.
Theft, and then what?
It's probably gonna be a felony theft because they had 2 full carts.
Finally, she was charged with resisting arrests, theft, and escape. Next up, meet a woman who thought it was a good idea to drive like a maniac with a child sitting in the front seat.
We're gonna make sure your child gets to the father. We're not gonna leave her or anything like that. Just gotta follow.
No, you're literally pushing me out.
Then just walk with us, okay?
Arresting me in front of my daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
On May 19th, 2024 in Florida, a police officer noticed a car speeding and dangerously swerving near the median. Things took a turn when the driver swerved right, nearly slamming into the officer's car. Despite the close call, the woman decided pulling over wasn't her thing, ignoring the sirens and continuing her high-speed weave through traffic. Here's what really went down.
In park.
I'm gonna park over there.
Put it in park. Put it in park. Put it in park. Turn off the car. Turn off the car. No, now she turned it off. Give me the keys to the car.
The keys to my car?
29 clear, 28 comes back to a free ball of SUV, 2018 model. Had a review here, expired 2025.
Give me your license, registration, insurance.
Hello. Registration, insurance.
I gave it to him.
You said you already gave it to him?
Well, he didn't ask for it, but
That's what she gave me, registration and insurance. Oh, her zipper's down. What is this?
registration and insurance. I don't know if you know.
What is this have to do with you?
I don't know. Let's see.
The first driver's license or the second one? Clearly the ultimate dilemma of our time. Which one was real? Oh wait, she appeared to be completely out of it by then.
This is old. That's the new one.
Okay, that's why I was having trouble finding it.
No, that's the new one because we just got this car, so it's like, we just put everything in the glove compartment.
You gotta get back in your car for your safety.
I don't want cars to hit you.
Oh, okay. I can pull over to the
No,
side.
no, stay right there.
At this point, the true investigation of her state just took place.
Evening, how you doing today?
Hello, how are you?
Doing all right. Where are you coming from today?
Renegades at cheerleading event.
Renegades? Okay, did you eat anything there?
No, I don't have nothing.
No. Where are you heading today?
Home.
Home. Okay. Do you take any medications at all? Okay. Do you have any injuries at all? No? Okay.
Can you come out real quick so I can talk with you?
1359, correct? That's 10
Alright, so we're
back
coming from Renegades, you said.
And then, where are you going?
We're home.
Where's home?
Hold on, that's a minor.
Yeah, I'm just asking if she lives local, that's all.
We live right down the street, Rivera Beach.
Okay, so where are you heading?
Rivera Beach.
Okay, how much you have to drink today?
I didn't drink nothing because I knew this was gonna happen.
Okay. So any reason with smell and a strong odor of alcohol coming from your breath, and you have slurred
Me?
speech? Yeah.
I don't drink. No.
She claimed she had anything to drink, but the officer noted the strong smell of alcohol on her breath. She was also slurring her words, all while denying she was ever swerving.
Like
slurred
in
speech?
recovery.
Okay. Any reason you'd have slurred speech?
No.
Any reason for your careless driving or swerving all over the road?
I was never
Speeding?
swerving. Never, none of that.
Okay. Any reason your zipper's still undone on your pants?
My zipper is done because I was in the bathroom. That's why.
Okay.
But
Can you just stop laying on the car for me? Okay. So based off everything I just told you, are you willing to participate in standardized field sobriety
I don't
tests?
feel like I need to.
Okay. Are you willing to participate in standardized field sobriety tests?
If
Prove
I
your
have
ability
to
drive.
go home, like, you know, whatever.
Okay, so you're saying yes, you will?
I mean, if I have to go home, then yeah.
It's not that you have to, they're voluntary. I'm not
No,
forcing you to
if I
do
don't have to, I don't want to do it.
So, while refusing to participate, like I said, they are voluntary. Refusing to participate in standardized field sobriety test can be used against you in court. I have to base my arrest decision off of what I see, smell, hear,
I don't.
and
Like,
everything
you
in
can
between.
smell my breath right now.
Okay, stop walking up
It's
on me.
not. Oh no, I'm just trying to make you know, like.
So,
it's
with
not
everything
a-
I just said, do you understand what I just said?
A little bit, yeah.
What part did you understand?
Why is it pulled over?
I'm sure my partner explained to you in great detail why he pulled you
No,
over.
if he pulled me over, I don't know.
Okay.
If that's who pulled me over, I don't know.
So you're
how
pulled
that
over
went.
for swerving all over the road.
She kept expressing stupidly about what had happened.
Wasn't pulling over.
Okay. Regardless, so do you realize that you were pulled over from a police officer?
I guess whatever. You're the one that pulled me over.
No. The car that's right behind. So
Whose
you
car is
did not
this?
realize that you were pulled over.
Of course, I realized I was pulled over because I'm pulled over. That doesn't make sense. What you're asking.
So regardless of all that, are you willing to participate in standardized field sobriety
If I
test?
have to, let's go.
So
because
ma'am,
this
hold
is
on.
No, I'm gonna stand right here. Like,
I didn't
please
tell you-
don't grab me.
Okay.
Like, because I'm being
You gotta listen to me
respectful.
though. You're not being respectful. Okay?
How I'm not being respectful?
So are you willing to participate? It's a yes or no. It's not a if I have to or anything other
If I have to, then yes, let's go. I don't know about like
Okay.
what's real and what's
So,
not real.
I advise you that they are voluntary, so you do not have to do them. I am not
Well,
forcing
if
you
I
to
don't
do
have
them.
to do it, then no, I don't want to do it because I'm 100% clear.
Okay. And you just said you understood that refusing to participate can be used against you in court,
Don't get hit by a car.
and I have to base
That's
my
fine.
arrest decision
That's fine.
off of what I see, smell, and hear. and all that.
100%
So
fine.
you're still refusing to participate.
I'm not refusing, but if I don't have to do it, I'm good. Like, I wasn't swerving with no...
Okay, if you want to voluntarily participate in field sobriety exercises, it's a yes or no. If you don't, we've explained to you that we're going to have to base our decision to arrest you if you're not going to. Are you
That's
willing
fine.
to participate, yes or no?
No, if I don't...
The officers gave her many chances to show her cooperation, but she refused them, so arresting her was inevitable.
Okay.
Why are you so
Whoa,
aggressive?
It's the car. There you go. Just put your
Why
hand
you
behind
guys
your back.
so aggressive? I don't understand why you guys so aggressive. I'm good. Carly, call Daddy.
Honey, it's okay. Listen. It's okay. Are you on the phone with your dad? Okay. Can you ask him to come here? We're on the. That's what we're doing now. Listen to me. Okay. Where is Daddy right now?
Will you work
You
on
can
that?
calm down. Yeah, I got this. Can ask Daddy if he. Ask him if he can. Listen. Ask him if he can take an Uber to come here. What is he saying? Okay, he's got the... Okay, so here's the problem. Can I talk to him? What's his name? It's okay, honey. I'm going to explain everything to you. Mom is going to be okay, okay? I will explain everything to you, okay?
The daughter was so panicked and scared when witnessing the state of her mom. The officer decided to contact her dad to explain the situation.
Hello, sir? Hi. So here's the issue. If we don't have a family member come up here, then we're going to have to tow this car, and it's going to cost you guys a lot more money.
What's the problem?
Okay. So is that who is she to you?
That's my wife.
Okay. From our investigation, she is intoxicated and driving. Okay. She.
I'll need you first.
Okay, I'm trying. Hold on, I'm on with the family. I'll be right there. She is intoxicated and driving. Hold on 1 second. All right, sir, I can't get into it right now, but do you have a family member or a friend that can come up here and get your car and your child? You're going to call who? It's okay, honey.
I'm gonna call her mother real quick. They live closer. They live on Pookie Show. I'm gonna call her or somebody to pick it up.
Okay, listen. We need them to come right away, and we are on Palm Beach Lakes. You might want to write this down. We're on Palm Beach Lakes, basically Palm Beach Lakes and Congress Avenue. They will see our police lights here on the road. You can't get out of the car yet. So, and then I need you to call back and ask your daughter to get me, because I need you to tell me who you're giving permission to come get your car and your child.
Okay, all right, I will.
But it has to be done like right now. Like fast. Okay. I'm going to explain everything, okay? You're okay. Dad's having somebody come get you. All right? It's okay, but I need you to calm down. I have to walk over here. Do not get out of the car because you're not safe in the road.
The kid was handled perfectly. As for the drunk woman, her erratic behavior only made the situation worse and worse.
No reason to lie. No. This is my first year in cheer.
We're gonna make it as comfortable as possible.
No, I'm just saying, that's tight. That's tight. The whole thing is tight. It's my first year in cheer. We didn't get no. Oh, you see this hand is tight.
You keep turning your wrist.
You have to turn your wrist together like this, dear. Look at me.
I've never been arrested, so I don't know.
So stop.
We're gonna explain it out to you.
You gotta turn it. He's gonna show you how to put your hands.
Put your hands together like you're praying. Both palms together like this.
Okay.
There you go. Now I can put a whole finger in there.
But I didn't even do nothing.
Okay, well, like we explained to you, okay? Based on the intoxication signs that we're seeing, okay? We offered you the we offered you the opportunity to perform field sobriety exercises.
Okay.
You don't want to perform those. We've explained to you that your refusal to perform those roadsides can be used against you.
I'm not refusing, I'm just trying to understand what's going on.
And we further explained to you multiple times that we're going to have to base our decision, all right, to arrest you or not arrest you based on the facts that we have and the science presented. Based on that, we placed you under arrest, okay?
But why am I under arrest? I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay, I'm trying.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Is this all you have in your pocket?
Yeah, this
okay,
is
I'm going to
it.
take your phone. There's nothing else inside your pockets?
No, nothing at all. I didn't do nothing
Sorry, we
wrong.
can leave this in the car.
Get your car and your child.
The child.
At this point, she changed her plan, impressing her innocence and not knowing what just happened.
We'll take your jewelry off and your stuff when we get to the station,
All right,
okay?
but we didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay.
I didn't do
Well,
nothing
we're
wrong.
going to give you an opportunity when we get to the station to further in that, okay? You got to walk back here with this officer. You're going in the car, okay?
Why am I going in the car?
Because you've been placed under arrest, okay?
Why? Wait. I'm just trying to understand
listen.
what's going on.
Okay, but we're going to explain.
Hold on,
so
I'm
you've
not
been
trying to
placed under
fight
arrest.
you.
keep
Wait.
resisting.
Wait, I'm not resisting. I'm just trying to ask what's
We've
going
explained
on.
to you. You've been placed under arrest. Okay?
Why am I
You're being
under
charged
arrest?
with DUI currently. Okay.
DUI?
So, yep.
Why am I under
Okay.
DUI?
Now it's time to
Why
listen.
you like? No, I'm not. I'm just
Start.
trying to get my
Right.
stand.
But you don't need to get a stance. We're going to the car. We've explained to you what you're under arrest for. Let's go. Come on. There you
I
go.
don't even know what's going on.
Okay. Just, dear, keep walking, please. We're going to make sure your child gets to the father. We're not going to leave her or anything like that.
Just gotta follow.
No,
Okay.
you're literally pushing me
Then,
out. What
then
I'm
just
doing.
walk with us, okay? This yours?
You can take these out because I don't know.
Yeah. Let's go around the other side. Yeah. Yeah, I'll block traffic for you.
Listen, do you have anything on your cell phone?
No, nothing at all.
You said 15, right?
I don't know about 15, but
No. Don't mind me. I was asking my partner a question.
no, I've never been in this situation.
Okay.
Until being put in the squad car, she still didn't give up putting out dumb questions.
I didn't even.
Step in.
Can you guys take this off?
I'm gonna give this to your daughter, okay? Your lip gloss. It was in your pocket.
So y'all arrested me in front of my daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
I need you to have a seat in the car, please. Most comfortable.
It's not, because I've never been in this situation.
Alright, that's a good thing.
No, it hurts so bad. Can you loosen this up?
I did listen.
I'm not gonna hurt you, I
Can you
swear
stop
to
being
God.
cool?
No, I'm just saying, can you because it was really bad. I've never been in this situation.
I can't loosen them up anymore. Per our policy, I have to fit one finger.
Finally, the woman was taken into custody and charged with DUI and neglect of a child without great bodily harm.